1 year ago, I finally took the plunge and bought myself a brand new Tesla Model Y Performance. But this decision was not made lightly. It involved months of research, gathering crucial information, and understanding the nuances of owning this remarkable electric vehicle. Today, I'm excited to share with you everything I've learned in one comprehensive video. Let's get started. In the exciting journey of purchasing a Tesla Model Y, there are crucial factors to consider that will shape your ownership experience. First and foremost, contemplate your travel habits, how frequently you drive and the distances you cover. These aspects will significantly impact your experience with an electric vehicle. If you frequently embark on long journeys, it's essential to evaluate the charging requirements and the availability along your routes. Tesla's extensive supercharging network is a significant advantage, but it's worth checking for conveniently located charging stations near your regular destinations. The presence of a garage can be a game changer in your Tesla ownership experience. Not only does it provide a secure parking spot for your vehicle, but it also offers the convenience of charging at home, reducing the reliance on superchargers. If you have access to a garage or free charging facilities in your apartment complex, consider yourself lucky. Installing a Tesla wall connector or a NEMA 1450 outlet will enable faster charging speeds, ensuring a fully charged car every morning. Affordability is another crucial factor to consider. While electric vehicles offer long-term cost savings in maintenance and fuel expenses, there are upfront costs to factor in. Budget for expenses like the cost of purchasing a wall connector and the installation cost of it. Now, if you reside in an area with harsh winters, the climate becomes an important consideration. Cold temperatures can impact battery range, reducing it by up to 30-ish%. In snowy conditions, the need for winter tires becomes crucial, so that's also another added expense. Additionally, larger wheels such as the 21-inch ones on my Model Y Performance may be more susceptible to damage on potholed roads and also do have a slight impact on the overall range. It's essential to account for the additional cost of winter tires and the potential wheel repairs in your decision-making process. Lastly, contemplate whether you prioritize performance or economics. The Model Y Long Range offers a slightly higher range, while the Performance model delivers exhilarating speed. In my case, the perfect balance between cost, speed, and range led me to choose the Performance model. However, everyone's preferences may differ, and it's important to align your priorities with your available options. Now that we've covered the important considerations, let's delve into the practical aspects of owning a Tesla Model Y, particularly when it comes to travel. Fortunately, Tesla's supercharger network is both vast and continuously expanding, ensuring that you can power up your Tesla along your route. However, it's still essential to plan your trips wisely. Take advantage of the Supercharger Map, a powerful tool that provides accurate and up-to-date information on supercharger locations and availability. With this knowledge, you can effortlessly map out your charging stops and navigate your long-distance journeys with confidence. Another concern that often arises with electric vehicles is range anxiety. This is the fear of running out of charge before reaching your destination. However, with the Tesla Model Y, range anxiety is significantly mitigated. The long-range Model Y offers an impressive EPA estimated range of 330 miles, while the Performance model provides approximately 303 miles of range. For most people's daily driving needs, these ranges provide ample peace of mind. It's important to know that certain factors can impact your range, such as high speeds, cold weather, or hilly terrain. If you're planning a longer trip or driving in extreme conditions, it's wise to account for these potential range reductions. So my tip is to plan your charging stops accordingly and allow for some buffer to ensure a stress-free and enjoyable journey. Now, luckily for you, what sets Tesla's supercharging network apart is not just the convenience of its locations, but also the amenities available at many of these charging stations. Tesla strategically places its supercharger stations near shopping centers, restaurants, and other facilities, providing you with an opportunity to take a break, grab a meal, or enjoy some leisure time while your car charges. As a Tesla owner, you'll have a Tesla mobile app, an invaluable tool that adds an extra layer of convenience to your overall ownership experience. The app allows you to remotely monitor and control your Tesla, providing real-time updates on your vehicle's charging status. Whether you want to start or stop charging, precondition your interior temperature, or locate your car in a crowded parking lot, the Tesla mobile app has you covered. It's like having your Tesla at your fingertips at all times, allowing you to stay connected and in control wherever you are. When it comes to accessories for your Tesla, there are a few must-haves that can elevate your ownership experience. Let's dive right in. First on the list is the floor mat set. Whether you live in an area with unpredictable weather or simply have a penchant for adventure, all-weather floor mats are a wise investment. They protect your Tesla's interior from dirt, spills, and wear, ensuring that your car stays clean and fresh no matter the conditions. Tesla offers their own all-weather mats, but you can also find third-party options that provide additional customization to match your style. In fact, I made a video showcasing my favorite floor mats for Teslas, and that video is linked in the description below. Now, organization is key, especially in Tesla's minimalistic interior. Cargo organizers, cup holder inserts, and rear trunk organizers are invaluable for keeping your belongings neatly organized and easily accessible. With limited storage compartments, these accessories help maintain order and convenience. I also like this cargo cover. It protects your luggage and other valuables from prying eyes and provides a simply seamless look when it's not in use. These are just a few of the tons of accessories that can make your Tesla ownership experience better. Now here's a pro tip if you're waiting for your Tesla to be delivered. Prepare for your delivery day by having all of these accessories ready to go. Trust me, it makes a world of a difference. To help you navigate the vast world of Tesla accessories, I've created in-depth videos highlighting the must-have accessories for both the Tesla Model Y and the Tesla Model 3. You can find these videos linked in the description below. And for those seeking hand-picked accessory recommendations, I've curated a list of my favorites, which you'll also find in the description. And real quick, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and tick that notification bell for more content like this in the future. Now let's talk about an exciting opportunity that comes with ordering a Tesla, the Tesla Referral Program. With Tesla recently reintroducing its referral program, you have the chance to earn valuable referral credits with every vehicle purchase made using a referral link. These credits can unlock a world of benefits and goodies that enhance your Tesla experience. One of the fantastic ways to use referral credits is by unlocking supercharging miles. Imagine embarking on road trips with ease knowing that you have supercharging miles at your disposal. With just 1,500 referral credits, you can unlock this convenience and explore new destinations. But that's not all. Tesla is also running an insane raffle where 500 referral credits grants you a chance to win one of the very first Cybertrucks off the production line. Picture yourself as one of the first few to own this beastly futuristic machine. Now Tesla also offers a range of other enticing goodies that you can redeem your referral credits for. From sleek Tesla sipping glasses to stylish t-shirts and cozy hoodies, there's a ton to choose from. And if you're looking to enhance your Tesla experience, you can acquire essential accessories like a roof rack, a bike rack, or floor mats. But the excitement does not end there. The referral credits can also unlock powerful software upgrades that take your driving experience to a whole new level. If you're craving an extra thrill in your Model 3 or Model Y, the acceleration boost shaves off half a second from your 0 to 60 time, and you'll experience an adrenaline rush every time you hit the accelerator. And if you're ready to embrace the future of autonomous driving, you can use your referral credits to unlock the enhanced autopilot software upgrade, a $6,000 value, or even the full self-driving package, a $15,000 value. These upgrades bring advanced driving features and pave the way for an autonomous driving experience like no other. If you're interested in taking advantage of these referral benefits, be sure to use my referral link in the description below. It's a win-win situation because not only will you enjoy the perks of a Tesla referral program, but you'll also be supporting this channel. Now let's delve into the ownership and maintenance aspects of the Tesla Model Y. Owning an electric vehicle like the Model Y brings several advantages in terms of reduced maintenance compared to traditional gas cars. I recently made a 20,000 mile review on my long-range Model Y where I broke down the exact maintenance expenses. And the amount I spent over 20,000 miles is shocking. I'll leave a link to that video in the description below for you to check out. Now with fewer moving parts, there are fewer components that can wear out or require regular servicing. However, there are still important maintenance tasks to keep in mind to ensure that your Model Y performs optimally. First and foremost, regular tire maintenance is crucial. Proper tire care not only ensures optimal performance, but it also enhances efficiency. Tesla recommends rotating the tires every 6,250 miles and checking the tire pressure on a monthly basis. These simple steps can help prolong the life of your tires and maintain a smooth driving experience. Now, a crucial aspect that can often go overlooked when it comes to owning a Tesla is changing a tire. And trust me, in this situation, you don't want to find yourself without the proper preparation. You see, jacking up your Tesla incorrectly can have severe consequences, potentially damaging the battery or other vital components. That's where a Tesla jack pad comes into play. The simple accessory can make a world of a difference when it comes to changing a tire safely. By providing the necessary clearance for the jack and indicating the proper jack location near each tire, a Tesla jack pad ensures that you place the jack correctly, minimizing the risk of damage. It's always a good idea to keep a Tesla jack pad in your car at all times. I'll include a link to it in the description below for your convenience. Another significant aspect of owning a Tesla is staying up to date with software updates. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that bring new features, improvements, and bug fixes to your car. These updates not only enhance the driving experience, but also ensure that your vehicle is equipped with the latest advancements. To receive and install these updates, make sure your Tesla is connected to a Wi-Fi network. And that brings me to having a strong Wi-Fi connection. Now you may be asking yourself, why is it so crucial? Well, your vehicle relies on receiving updates to unlock new features and improvements, and these updates come through connecting to the Wi-Fi. Now Tesla is always pushing out new and exciting updates that you do not want to miss out on. Whether you have a garage or not, it's essential to ensure that you have access to a robust Wi-Fi network. So what are your options? While there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, there are a couple of standout choices. An example is Google's Mesh Wi-Fi system, and it's known for its reliability and strong performance. Another is a TP-Link mesh system. Both options offer extenders or additional mesh points that can help bring Wi-Fi access closer to your vehicle, ensuring a strong and stable connection. I'll leave links to these in the description below for you to check them out. So when you're purchasing your Tesla, don't overlook the need for a reliable Wi-Fi setup. After all, you've got to connect somehow to receive those important updates and enhance your driving experience. When it comes to battery care, Tesla provides recommendations to help optimize the lifespan of your Tesla's battery. While it's tempting to always charge the battery to 100%, it's advisable to avoid doing so unless you really need it for a long road trip. Unless if your Tesla has LFP batteries. Now, if you don't have the LFP batteries, maintaining a regular charging routine between 20% and 80% can help prolong the battery's overall health. And finally, let's talk about full self-driving. One of the biggest lessons I learned about the Tesla Model Y performance is to resist the temptation of purchasing the full self-driving capability upfront. Trust me, most people don't need it, and here's why. The stock self-driving features are already impressive and offer about 85% of the benefits without the hefty upcharge. Personally, I found that I don't really need Smart Summon, auto lane changing, and FSD beta in my daily routine. Now, if you don't want to pay the $15,000 upfront for the full self-driving, Tesla offers a subscription option for just $200 a month and it's cancelable at any time. This gives you the opportunity to test it out without tying up so much money in it. And if you really like it, you can pay the $15,000 and purchase it later. If you're going on a long road trip and want to enjoy those extra features for just that month, you can simply pay the subscription fee and then cancel it later. It's incredibly flexible. Now, if you do pay the $15,000 for FSD and you eventually sell your Tesla, that $15,000 FSD purchase does not really add too much value to the resale, and it stays with the car rather than your Tesla account. Now, all of this analysis is from a financial point of view. If you found this video informative and enjoyed diving into what I wish I knew before buying a Tesla, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more Tesla content. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with electric vehicles in the comment section down below. As always, thank you all for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.